Defendant John Doe's basic human rights were violated on October 7, 2011. The facts are as follows. A police officer unfairly and unlawfully entered the defendant's home without permission, a warrant, or just cause with the intent of seizing John Doe's 3 legally obtained guns. The police officer then slept inside of his house in his bed without his permission, and when the defendant complained, he was arrested and brutally beaten without being read his Miranda rights. He was then put in jail for 6 years without trial, and when he finally received his trial, his leg was cut off so he could not escape. And the trial was held without a jury in the police officer's basement. The judge ruled that John would not be allowed to vote for the rest of his life.
Quite an interesting case.
Precisely. This client's rights must be respected.
This case is not unlawful. It's completely unconstitutional.
So many rights have been broken here.
Amendment 4 was definitely infringed by the policeman. Didn't have a warrant, as if that wasn't enough. He went on to infringe the Second and Third Amendment by sleeping in his home and taking all of his legally owned guns.
Don't forget the infringement of his Miranda rights and the fact that he was denied a speedy trial, infringing the Sixth Amendment of the Constitution. And, the fact that they cut off his leg so he couldn't run is a really vile infringement of the Eighth Amendment.
And holding trial without a jury in someone's basement, that's just wrong.
You cannot deny one's right to vote.
You could go as far to say this violates all 10 of the basic rights guaranteed by the Bill of Rights.
The defendant is innocent. The police officer is the guilty one.
Agreed. We should repeal this decision of the court.
Case closed.